At this point, we've uploaded a document into Scribble and we're ready to read and annotate. So here's the document. It has the Scribble toolbar along the top and there's a bunch of little buttons. So this button right here tells you where the item is located, and if you had other libraries you could move it, but we don't. We're going to skip that one, not super important. This button allows you to share with people. We're primarily going to use this to share with me. When you're done annotating, you're going to email me a copy of your annotations or a link to your annotations so I can see it. This button tells you whether things have been saved or not, and then these two buttons right here are the most important. This allows us to highlight in the article, and this allows us to put little post-it notes on the article. So for example, let's say that Mr. Allen had asked you to highlight something, and so you're gonna go ahead and select the text that you want to highlight, and we have 4 different colors. We have rose, we have tan, we have yellow, and we have light green. Let's say that Mr. Allen asked you to highlight in light green. So then it changes the color text, and you can also click on the text and you could add a little note. Let's say that you needed to write something with that annotation. Then maybe you want to put a note on this and make a comment. You also have 4 colors of comments here, and let's say that we want to use tan for this one. So we're going to go ahead and make our little comment, and then you see how that one doesn't necessarily highlight, but it comes up with a little box, but when we hover over it, it shows the text. So that's nice. And then this one does that as well. If we hover over it, it shows the text that we highlighted. So when you're all done annotating, you're going to always click here and you're going to set up to email. You're going to put my email address right here, and you're going to put your name in the subject line of, so for this one you would put your name and then little things annotations for that one, and then you would share it so that I could see your annotations. So that's how you annotate in Scribble.